once you understand how your mind works, then when life hits you, you can start to observe yourself like, wow, that's my Mercury trining my Venus. It said that in my chart I do that. So you'll know the aspects of your mind because you're a multidimensional being. And astrology literally is the blueprint, right? It's the blueprint of consciousness. It's the mechanics of consciousness. And it's really a cool cheat code for life. Once you know, it empowers you. It gives you control. You're like, oh, I know what's going on here. I'm being tested. Like, you know what I'm saying? And you realize, like, wow, it's not about what happens to me. It's my response to what happens to me. So remember, all of your feelings come from thought. If you can tap into that thought that make you feel, just observe your thoughts. When you feel bad, observe your thoughts and say, okay, I'm feeling negative. I feel it. You can feel it in your chest. I'm feeling negative. But why am I feeling negative? I'm feeling negative because I'm thinking they got me fucked up. So I gotta prove to them they got me fucked. They don't even fucking know you. Why are you even hyped like that? Yes, they hurt your feelings, of course, because we're all sensitive. But that's what life did to you. But what would be your response? That's who you are. That's what discerns you. And once you get control of that, man, like I told you, study your natal chart, right? And when it comes, like I told you, observe your thoughts. Keep a healthy perspective. Point blank period. I hope I answered that for you. Now we're gonna take a call. Take a call. Peace, God. Hello?
Hey, peace.
Peace, God. How you feeling?
Hey, peace.
Peace, God. How you feeling?
I'm good, man. I'm blessed. I just had my beautiful little boy today.
Oh, congratulations.
Respect. Hey, you got a beautiful daughter yourself too, man. But
I'm thankful.
honestly, I just wanted to chime in. Basically, I'm trying to get this comment out the way. But anyway, I just got a quick question. I've been following, the teaching that you have been saying ever since day one. I mean, from the day that you was, I guess you was out like by yourself. That's when you was by yourself and you had that
Yeah.
you know what I mean? When you first came out, right? And so my question is, as in today, as you see, you have all these other people who got great knowledge. Listen, I'm not finna just, I'm not bashing nobody, but I'm just saying, like, people that you may have came across and, had some verbal altercations with via over the internet. My question is, why are we so stuck in the mind frame of, okay, we get the knowledge, and since my knowledge is different than yours, I don't want to agree with you just because, because of something that you did in your personal life that I believe that is true. So instead of us mixing that together and actually building something, we just don't tear each other down and continue to tear each other down and continue to tear each other down. It's like it gets to the point like, damn, is this shit entertaining? Or, you know what I mean? Like, what overall, what's the point of that? I'm not saying that you do that. I'm just saying overall, as all of these people, even me myself, I feel a victim of it myself at one point in time. But I'm more about unity, and I want all of the kings to come together and actually to unite and, your knowledge versus young Pharaoh knowledge and, even Dr. Umar, though he may have scammed some people, his knowledge. I mean, just the knowledge standpoint, if we could just build on that, then what can we accomplish rather than bashing each other and bringing people down, basically?
I'm here to take care of you tonight. Bertie told me you heard me.
Yeah.
So I told you about
Okay, so to answer your question, I think that was the question, was that statement?
partially because
No, it's more of a question. I'm really trying to figure it out, man. Because I'm more of the unity. I try to unite people on all different levels. So that's what I represent.
Well, we are one consciousness broken up into many frequencies of thought.
Right.
Can you go somewhere quiet? We can talk because I can hear them in the back.
I got you.
So we are one consciousness, right?
Right.
Broken up into many pieces. And a young Pharaoh would be like the color orange, and I would be the color green, and Dr. Umar would be the color orange, right? And it's up to you to see the white light that's behind all the frequencies. You know what I'm saying? And collect all the colors to create that white light that we all are. You know what I'm saying? And I think it's very wise of you to see the similarities in all of us rather than the difference.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And I think that's what makes you a god. I think that's what makes you a god. Because you're able to see the big picture.
Right.
The fact that we all white light hitting the prism broke up into many frequencies of the same thing.
Right. And that's my whole perception. It's like when I see you and I see people be like, oh, I don't like what now you Eligio. Back then that's when I don't like Nature Boy because of this and I heard this and I don't care about that. I care about what the knowledge that you brought, you know what I mean? You shed light to situations when I was in a dark time. Young Pharaoh shed light, you know what I mean? Other people that I shed light to situations to people, you know what I mean? I'm more of a hands-on, like I talk to people face to face, basically, in my city or whatever. So as I grow and I grow and I grow, I find myself like, damn, a year from now, we still gonna be bashing each other, or can we actually unite? That's what
I feel like there's just these messengers that certain messages are streaming through and broadcasting through,
right?
And then there's people that are learning, that are master students, that become master teachers. And I think you could take something from everybody and don't even ask no question, just build whatever you can get. You know what I'm saying?
All right. One quick question before you go. I know you got plenty of other people wanting to call, bro, but I look at just like how you say that we are all. I look at basically, let's just say we in the God body, right? Universally speaking, multiverse speaking, we all in the God body. So you will look at the constellations of, different solar system as a different organism. You look at a planet. That's how I look at it. Look at a planet as a cell, and within those planets, like Earth, we are cells within cells within the God body, right? And if you understand cells, then you understand that cells are meant to cause chaos. Some of them are meant to kill other cells, but at the end of the day, cells are meant to pass on knowledge to the next cell before the expiration. And that's the point that I'm just trying to get people to, not you, I'm just trying to get other people immune to that, get accustomed that us as a people who need to pass on the knowledge and shed light in a great way instead of, man, yeah, he getting a whole lot of views over there, so let me just bash him real quick so I can still, take some of his little fans. And, I got kids, I ain't got time for it. It's
you a real dude.
Yeah, like, I ain't got time for it, bro. Like, at one point in time, like, I've been trying to chime in with you, you know what I mean? But at the same point, I get at that point in time, I'm a good person. I feel like at that point in time, when I was trying to chime in, that's when you was getting attacked by so many people and shit of that nature. I understand that.
With the race ain't given to the swift nor the strong, but those that endure to the end.
Right. But at the same time, man, I appreciate what you're doing. I appreciate what all of y'all are doing as far as on the social media standpoint.
That's positive.
Yeah, if you can check out my page, I do my little positive thing, but I do it in a whole different light because I'm more of I talk to people. I'd rather be face to face, and that's just how I am. You know what I mean? But like I said, I appreciate what you're doing, man. Keep it up. And what really made me chime in is the message that you was on there. I felt the energy of the knowledge. I like to hear knowledge. All the shenanigans, answers, and bullshit, I don't really care about. But when I hear knowledge and real recognize real. So it is what it is, man. I appreciate you
coming in and voicing that for real.
100, do these things.
That was necessary.
Wow.
Thank you. Appreciate it. That was real. I'm gonna open up the comment section back. Some people don't like that in their face while they This is a good question. Is the ego the reason most of the modern leaders avoiding unity? Yeah. pretty much. Each person is a magnetic field of cosmic thought frequency. And you have an astrological energy that you must express as the universe. There is no you. I don't like, people like, oh, God is great. And like people always detach themselves from the universe. I never understood that. You like, oh, there's the devil, and then there's God, and then there's me. Like, what? Who the fuck are you? You know what I'm saying? And, it doesn't make any sense. And there's like this illusion, right? So what we have to respect is ego. We have to respect ego. As much as we talk about killing the ego, we have to respect that the ego is your script to life. The ego is if this was a movie, it's your role. That's your role that you're playing. So you must embrace your ego, not just Okay, so I was answering the question. I got cut off. The live just cut off, guys. But I was answering that question about, is the ego why we can't unite? But that's where the universe is doing it. So you might have a young pharaoh, you might have Brother Polite, or anybody that you might hear out here. You're like, why can't we come together? Because these egos have a chemical reaction to each other. Cosmic reaction. You know what I'm saying? These egos have a cosmic reaction to each other. They do what they're supposed to do. Because everything is in divine time. So just because you don't see the unity at the time and place that you're in doesn't mean that the universe ain't working in those magnetic fields to keep them a certain distance from each other so that things can happen the way they're supposed to happen. Have we all come together and we all get murked the fuck out? The universe wants us to be like separate so that we can survive through the whole divine timing of things. And so at one point, we're like, well, we want unity, we should be able to come together because we can do a lot together. Yeah, you can also get your ass blown up. But maybe the universe is making it seem and keeping us at separate ends into a certain time and place. Who knows? I just know that the ego is necessary, that us expressing ourselves truly and honestly as we are is divine. Because God wants to be you. God is you. You are God. Bad or good, devil or not. You are God expressing itself through cosmic energy. So it is what it is. You're not. The idea of what you are is nothing more than a compilation of astrological energies combined together. You actually exist on Mars right now. The energy of Mars lives in you because it permeates here through the sun. So all of the planets are connected energetically. All of them. Everything is here in this plane right now. You have a Mars sign, a Mercury, your spirit. Your spirits are all the planets, and their compilation come together to make your soul. So a spirit is just a piece of a soul. So your planet, whatever, you might have a Jupiter or Scorpio, like myself. That is your spirit on Jupiter, right? That's a piece of your soul. But your complete soul is all of the planets put together. So you are multidimensional. You exist on all planets or on planets, on planes at the same time, being projected here. So all of the planets you embody. So you have to understand that. Once we understand our soul, aka our astrological program or our ego, our personality, aka our script or our role that we're playing in the movie of life, that God is playing as you, subjectively playing the next person that you're talking to. All of you in the room typing right now are God, talking to itself. You are the universe, communicating with itself. And it's just chemistry, cosmic chemistry. How does a Taurus get along with Aquarius? How does Aquarius get along with Virgo? How does Virgo get along with Pisces in the 12th house? It's just chemistry, cosmic chemistry, and sometimes the chemistries are attracted, and they'll be attracted for a certain amount of time, and then it repulses. Poof. You know what I'm saying? And then, we call this arguing and breaking up. And, when the time is gone and the energy wears out, it'll start to repulse and it attracts. Oh, I love you. Oh man, you speak my mind. You are just an energy that is coming into the vortex, and our vortexes are magnetically attracted. Right? So our magnetic fields, our minds are on the same frequency, so we magnetically attract. And you're like, yo, I like to hear this guy talk because he thinks the way I think. Yeah, that's because you was attracted to yourself and me. Even the negativity. Even if you see certain negativity, you found me and you found some negative shit, it was a negativity that was in you that had attracted you to me. You can't, there's no separation. There's no separation. But understanding that, we realize that I am the only one in existence and everybody else is a parallel universe of me. Because if I am God and you are God, that would mean that you are a parallel universe of me. That simultaneously God is talking to himself right now through everything in existence at the same time. So God broke himself up to tree, to the fucking bee, the whole ecosystem, and wanted to experience itself simultaneously in these parallel universes. So when you're talking to somebody else, you're talking to a reflection of yourself. So when somebody else is talking to you, if you listen to them close enough, you get to tap into that parallel universe. It's like tuning into a radio station. When you listen to people's lives, when you talk to people, you're tuning into a frequency, a parallel universe of yourself. No matter if you like this person or not, it's still a parallel universe of you. And that's when you become a God, when you realize that everything is you. Everything is you might not like this version of you. I don't like this version of you at this time and place because you have not evolved to a point to accept the person as they are, or you just don't get along with them. Their words repulse you, and you just don't like them. And that is just that is even in divine timing. And that's just a chemistry, and it's all mathematical. It's all happening in divine purpose. They had me looking crazy. Somebody said, well, they're gonna have me looking crazy because they're crazy. If I'm crazy, right, and I get a hold of you, and I'm trying to explain you to somebody else, it's gonna sound crazy. Because you know what? I'm crazy. So if they got me looking crazy, what does that say about the person that's delivering the message? They crazy. Because if I'm a crazy person and I'm trying to articulate something to you, you're gonna be like, y'all resend those questions, man. Those were some good questions I was seeing. Please resend those questions.
There he is.
What's going on, Mr. Smiles? How you feeling?
Hey, man. Hey, how you been, bro?
Positive
Hey,
vibes.
I love, man.
Positive
I love
vibes.
myself.
Hi, yes.
I am
yes.
God. I
Yes.
love myself.
I love myself.
Hey, and I am everything.
And you're not crazy for saying that. You're one of the wisest people on this planet for knowing that. You know, the person walking down the block, you say that to them, they're going to be like, what?
Right.
Gods.
I'm thankful. I'm thankful. But I did come with a question.
Now, when you really truly become a God, now look, it's one thing to know that you God. That's the beginning. That's the beginning. That's the baby steps of being God. Now, to become God is to be sick in the city. It's
Man,
no
hey,
way.
you know what's up? You see me right
God.
now.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah. You can't even be there. Right? You can look at things as positive as you can, but you know what I'm saying? When you got rubber on your feet and you walking on concrete and it's hurting your feet, a God wants to connect to the source of what it is. So when you're a God, you're going to find yourself in the woods all the time. You're going to find yourself in nature all the time because nature is the source and nature is real. And all that other shit is fake. And so you're going to be more drawn to nature than anything. You're going to be drawn to your natural look. You see what I'm saying? Natural woman that know who the fuck they are. You know what I'm saying? It's going to get on your fucking
See, I'm glad you just said that.
Yeah.
I'm glad you said that because I got a question. So I just started a new relationship, a polygamous relationship.
Hey,
And just for the record, she eats. Hey, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to ask for some advice, but first I'm going to give you a couple details. She is vegan. So I said any woman that I mess with, she got to be vegan, man. Because I'm vegan, you know what I'm saying? So another thing is, if she ain't darker than me, then it just can't be. You heard what I'm saying? I want the melanin. I gotta have some melanin in my joints.
Get what you like.
So we talking about it. That's what I like, man. I like a dark skinned woman. That's what it's gotta be. So what I want to know is like we've been talking and all this. You know, she's like, oh yeah, I saw you looking at this Joan. And I'm like, you know, she wants to mess with other women as well. You know, she wants to have relations with other women. And I'm like, okay, so we got to work this out. We really got to, you know, do this in a particular way. There's a science to it. You know, you have to have order and structure in the relationship and a lot of communication, because I'm never going to forget, love is understanding. You heard me? Love is understanding.
Somebody
right?
say they love you.
What I want to ask you is, yeah, and I like how you said, I love you. Who the fuck is you? I love myself. You know what I'm saying? Which means you understand yourself. So I'm with you on the 5 sciences. You got the astrology, biology, quantum physics, melanin, grounding, and there may be one other one in there. But anyways, what I got to say is, man, so this is my first polygamous relationship. I'm new to it, about a month in. What type of advice you got for a brother?
Well, at first it's going to be very uncomfortable for even you, because you always seen yourself through the oppressor's eyes. And a lot of times we're like, oh, the woman don't want to do it. But a lot of times it's really a projection of us wanting to do it. Could you believe that? A lot of men get the polygamous relationship and fucking don't know how to be in one, because we've been deprived of our natural rights.
Right, we're used to a monogamous relationship. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we so trained
to the white man way. Bullshit.
Right.
Yeah.
So
okay.
So here it is. You have to own it. You see what I mean? It takes. Let me tell you something. It's half you.
Yes.
And I'm even gonna say half. It's 100% you and 100%. Your mates.
Let me get to some better signals.
Are you there? Damn. Let me see if he come through. Okay, there you go. Alright, so here's the thing. If you got one of your woman that is not really with polygamy and you know that she's not, it's going to tamper with your ability to truly have a polygamous relationship. Everybody has to be open to it, right? So because you are connected to these women, you feel their mood swings, and so that starts to alter your judgment, and you start treating one of them more than the other. Now I done been here, right? Trying to keep
I know you
the
done been
emotions of one and keep it all together.
And one thing I remember you said, I remember you said we all got to have the same mind. And as the man, y'all have to share my mind.
Yeah,
we
you
all
gotta
share
let go
the same mind.
weakness. If there's a weakness that shows, you gotta let that girl go. Right?
Okay.
You gotta let her go. I'm gonna tell you why. Because she's not really polygamous, and she's gonna fuck it up for the other woman that are. Maybe the other woman is. She like, I'm open, but she not. Like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let the one that's not. You gotta let it go, because every woman is polygamous, whether you like it or not, right?
Yeah, whether they want to accept it or not. Yeah,
we're getting smarter. We're starting to be more respectful of our woman, right? So we gotta say, you know what? Damn, it make more sense that I just allow my man to be a man rather than push him against his nature. Why not organize how we indigenously was? Now, a lot of men think they want more than one woman. Here's the catch. No, the fuck you don't. Only kings, only gods can have more than one woman. A lot of men are like, yeah, more is better. Nah, nigga, if you're not built for it, the woman will drive you fucking crazy. I'm not talking about in a bad way. It's just that you have to be able to, you know what I'm saying, handle.
Yes.
How many women?
Be able to handle it.
So only God is able to handle them mentally. So a lot of men, it's not for every man. Let me say this. because all men aren't able to deal with women.
Right.
There's an art to dealing with feminine energy, because
You gotta be
woman.
smooth. Yes.
Let me tell you something about woman. Shit doesn't have to make sense for woman. That's the scary part about woman. I'm gonna give you a dime, bro. I'm about to drop a dime on you. You ready? With
Yes.
woman, shit doesn't have to make sense, and that will drive you up a fucking wall. You don't know how to respond to that rambunctious, fucking chaotic feminine energy. Okay? With women, she doesn't want things to always make sense. So she needs a space where she can express her feminine chaos. If she doesn't get that space, she will turn your life into that space, and it will be chaotic. So we have to know.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
See, a man, we're thinking one plus one is one. Master Chief said if I do the astrology, biology, quantum physics, and melanin, then this shit will work. And so we're like cookie cutter logic. With women, that shit don't have to make sense. It's just rambunctious and chaotic for their energy. It's a different energy. That you don't understand that energy as a man, and you don't embody that energy yourself, then you will not understand and be able to relate. And those women will drive this fucking world crazy.
Okay, so you have to create the space for them.
This is a gym. So this is what you do. I'm gonna tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Make sure you have a creative space where they can dance. It don't matter what music they playing. I don't give a damn if it's fucking whatever it is. Let them play it. It don't even have to be on frequency. Just let them play it. You dance. They need to have art. Art is a really good outlet. They need to learn how to. You have to give them a creative space so that they can channel that energy. And if they don't have a channel for that energy, they're gonna fuck your life up. They're gonna fuck you up. And they're not even knowing that they're doing it. They're not even knowing that you're doing it. So you have to understand this shit psychologically and be able to provide her that space. And be like, here you go, baby. Give her a dance class. Give something for her to use that chaotic energy and channel it. Because if it doesn't, it's gonna channel on you. It's not gonna be good.
Man, that's a fact.
That's for my
polygamous
man.
Hey, that's a fact right there. Create an artistic, creative environment for them to express that chaotic energy.
Exactly. Right. Because she gonna want to break the rules every now and then, because that energy is a rebellious energy. You understand what I'm saying? So she needs to be rambunctious and chaotic. She needs random shit sometimes, because things can be going like this for you. Bop, bop, bop. And we can become robots to knowledge. We can just become robots to knowledge. It don't work like that for her. She wake up in the morning and is like, I don't like this. And you like,
I'm about to start some shit. Yeah.
What's wrong? Like, what happened? You just both put You gotta understand that energy, and that's a feminine energy, yo. And it has to be controlled. And that's what I was saying, that energy has to be controlled. It has to be channeled constructively.
Constructively. I understand. Okay. All right. Hey, I'm gonna have to watch this jump too. I'm gonna have to check it out. I was like,
It's going up on
yeah.
And just know that they need that space, and each woman does need their own space. If they don't have that, they won't be able to connect to their soul. Women need to connect to their soul because they absorb everybody's energy so much. And so they need a space to absorb their own soul and to like get in touch with their own self, because they absorb so many people's energy. They don't know who the fuck is dumb, who the fuck is somebody else. So make sure that they have their own little space that they can go to remind, so they can reset and remember. You know what I'm saying? Remember their own fucking mind.
Okay, I got that. So let me ask you this. So I was talking to her and I was like, yeah, down the road we probably gonna have 2 jumps. I might have 2 or 3 other jumps. And she was like, well, we just gotta handle one for now. I just want to be able to handle one. I'm like, I'm just talking about down the road, but I'm speaking things into existence. You heard me? That's what I'm doing. So I want to ask you, when did you know that you were ready for more than one? Well, not that way. Let me not say it that way. When did you know, and how did you know that you could handle multiple?
Because
As far as-
multiple ones came to me.